fungus. That is a good name. It's Hydenellum pecci, widely known as the bleeding tooth fungus. It's a bizarre and haunting species that really challenges nearly every visual expectation of what a fungus should look like. This toothy, white to beige fruiting body that appears to ooze bright red fluid has earned it the common names such as strawberries and cream, devil's tooth, and more ominously, bleeding fungus. Now, it's native to North America and parts of Europe, particularly in coniferous forests with acidic soils. The most striking feature of it, though, is that red fluid that appears to seep from the surface of the fruiting body. This phenomenon is the result of a process known as guttation, in which excess moisture is excreted through specialized pores. Now, the red coloration comes from a pigment that's also known to have anticoagulant properties. In younger specimens, the exuded droplets are glossy and blood-like, standing out starkly against the pale white or tan background. As the fungus ages, the fruiting body darkens and the droplets dry, leaving behind these crusty reddish stains. Though it looks toxic and its appearance might suggest danger, the bleeding tooth fungus is not poisonous. It is, however, inedible due to its extremely bitter taste and tough, woody texture. It belongs to a group of fungi known as tooth fungi or hypnoid fungi. They have a spore-producing structure on the undersides of their caps in the form of downward-pointing spines rather than gills or pores. It forms mycorrhizal relationships with coniferous trees like pine and spruce, and that symbiotic association does benefit both organisms. The fungus helps the tree absorb water and nutrients, especially phosphorus, and the tree provides the fungus with sugars produced through photosynthesis. This type of mutualism plays a role in the forest ecology here, especially in nutrient-poor soils. But despite the alien appearance, the bleeding tooth fungus is often difficult to even spot in the wild. It grows in mossy or needle-covered forest floors, and it blends in once the bright droplets fade. The distribution of it includes the temperate forests in the Pacific Northwest, parts of northern and central Europe, and recently, isolated sightings in Iran and South Korea.